Hey YouTube, today I have two impacts. They are both from TMG tools. In the last video, I was showing you this model. It's the IW10S, and it was really struggling. It could barely remove lug nuts, and you could see that in the video. I have the new 2023 IW21S. And this thing is pretty good. So what I'm going to do is put both of them on the Skidmore so we can see the difference. And I have a video of pulling an automatic transmission basically just with this. It could not do everything. There were some really tight bolts on that car, but it did pretty much like 90% of what I needed it for. So it was pretty good. If you have a big like DCF 900, just like one impact, or 2767 Milwaukee, and you're looking for something smaller, maybe take a look at this TMG. It's on Amazon. And you're looking for the IW21S, not the IW10. So let's take a look at this more and see how much power this thing puts out. It is a little beat up, so we're going to check it like that and see what it can do. All right.